This is test subject A. Test subject A plays on the computer for 5 hours a day. This is test subject A 10 hours later. On an average weekday, test subject A sleeps 10 hours. No, wait, that's not true. I said the wrong number.
Oh.
This is test subject A on a weekend after playing on the computer. On an average weekend day, test subject A sleeps for 12 hours. While test subject A's hours spent on the computer does not differ between the weekend and the weekday, he sleeps 2 more hours on the weekend. This is test subject A again, this time on a weekend. On an average weekend day, test subject A plays on the computer for an average of 5 hours again. This is test subject B on a weekday once again. On average given weekday, test subject B sleeps 7 hours a day. This is test subject B. Test subject B on average. This is test subject B on a weekend. On an average weekend day, test subject B spends 6 hours a day on the computer. Spends 4 hours a day on the computer on a weekday.
Do that?
Yeah. This is test subject B sleeping on the weekends. On an average weekend day, test subject B sleeps 9 hours. Test subject B's time on the computer and time sleeping increases on the weekends. The explanatory variable here is the amount of computer time spent both on the weekday and the weekend, and the response variable is the amount of sleep we get, because the explanatory variable, the amount of computer time, is supposed to affect the amount of time we get to sleep. However, by looking at the regression line, we see that the relationship between the two are actually not as big as one might expect in this class. This is because there may be many confounding variables.